Just starting on Upwork and want to stand out from the crowd? In this video, I'll show you the 4 key steps to earning the coveted Rising Talent badge. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The Rising Talent badge is Upwork's way of highlighting promising new freelancers who demonstrate professionalism and potential. First, your profile must be 100% complete. This means a professional photo, a compelling title/overview, a detailed work history, and a strong portfolio. Second, you must maintain a 100% job success score, JSS. As a new freelancer, you may not have a JSS yet, but you must complete your first job successfully to keep it at 100%. Third, you need to have strong activity on the platform. This includes submitting quality proposals and being responsive to client invitations. Finally, you must have no recent warnings or suspensions on your account. Maintaining a professional and trustworthy presence is key. A crucial pro tip: the fastest path to rising talent is to complete a small, fixed-price job perfectly. Get a 5-star rating and a glowing testimonial. This proves your reliability and often triggers the badge award shortly after. And just like that, you've significantly increased your chances of getting noticed by top clients. The Rising Talent badge is your first major credibility milestone. Did you receive the Rising Talent badge? How did it impact your profile views? Share your story in the comments. To reach the next level, subscribe for our next video on how to get Upwork top-rated status. Thanks for watching.